we're still trying to figure out exactly what happened. We're not entirely convinced that this is an ammonia leak, as you probably suspect from the fact that we had you start, stop, and then start over again. It may be there's a possibility that this is a combination of sensor problems, MDM partial failures, and thermal effects all thrown together in the exact wrong way to make this thing look like it was your classic ammonia leak. Bottom line is we've got all the experts that have come in now. Everybody's pouring over the data. We've got all the smart folks taking a look at it. And we're trying to figure out exactly what's going on.
The Expedition 42 crew members are safe and in good shape inside the Russian segment of the International Space Station after an alarm was enunciated around 3 a.m. Central Time in the U.S. segment of the complex that sometimes can be indicative of an apparent ammonia leak. Following contingency procedures, the crew donned masks and moved into the Russian segment of the station, closing the hatch to the U.S. segment behind them. Once inside the Russian segment, the crew members were allowed to remove their masks. We need to emphasize that there is no hard data to suggest that there was, in fact, a real ammonia leak. Again, we need to emphasize that there is no data at the moment suggesting that there was, in fact, a real ammonia leak. Flight controllers here in Mission Control in Houston detected an increase in pressure in the water loop for Thermal Control System B on the station, one of two redundant cooling loops, which triggered the enunciation of that alarm on board. Acting in extremely conservative fashion, the crew was directed to isolate themselves in the Russian segment. Non-essential equipment in the U.S. segment of the station was also powered down per the procedures, but at the moment is in the process of being powered up once again.